Open Chrome. Search Iron Man 2. New tab. Previous tab. Close tab. Search Iron Man. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll up. New tab. Go to Facebook. New tab. Go to YouTube. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll up. Close tab. Close Chrome. Hi there, this is Sajid Rahi, and in today's tutorial we are going to learn how to completely automate our Chrome with the help of our voice command using Python. So without wasting any more time, let's get into VS Code. Back to the magical world of VS Code, and the very first thing we need to do is to create a dictionary that will hold the key, basically the commands we are going to say, along with the functions that is going to be executed. So I'm going to create a dictionary. I'm going to name it Chrome Shortcuts. You can name it whatever you want. So our very first command will be new tab, and the function will be, I'm using pyautogui. So pyautogui.hotkey control T. But to use a function as an element of dictionary, we need to use the term lambda. So lambda pyautogui. Oops, let's just quickly import our module. So I'm going to import pyautogui. Okay. So it will be pyautogui.hotkey, and the shortcut is control T. Okay. By the way, you can find this shortcut from the browser. You can just go to the browser and search for Chrome shortcuts. There will be a list, and you can just copy the list and create your dictionary. For the sake of this video, I have already created a dictionary, so I'm going to just paste it. Okay, so this will be my dictionary. As you can see, these are the shortcuts of Chrome, and we have taken some extra things like edit, delete, enter. So these will be used basically in the terms of searching something. So let me show you. If I search here, let's say I search for Chrome shortcuts. Okay, I search this thing. Now I need to change the search term. Basically this, I need to search something else. So what I can do, I can press backslash. Then I need to delete these two words. For that, I'm just going to press Ctrl backspace one time to delete a word, then second time to delete another word. And then with the help of an automatic typer, we can write down what we need to search. For that, I am going to search Iron Man 2, and then I need to press enter to execute the search. So in this way, first we need to edit the search, basically pressing backslash, and then we need to delete the word that is written on the search box, and then we need to press enter to execute the search. Again, I have taken maximize and minimize. Basically it is pressing F11. We know that pressing F11 maximizes and pressing again minimizes. Okay, then for scrolling down and scrolling up, so I have used pyautogui.scroll, and basically negative value is used for scrolling down. If I say scroll down, then it will come along minus 500 pixels actually. Then if I say scroll up, it's gonna go up 500 pixels. So this will be our dictionary that will hold the key. This is basically key and the function that is going to be executed. Okay, now we need to create a function for searching. What we need to search, we are going to say a query, then we need to extract what we need to search. So the function will be extract the key term from the query that we need to search. So I'm going to create a function called search, and as a parameter I'm going to just pass a query. Then what will be the key term? So the key term will be query dot replace unnecessary extra words, like I can say search. This will be replaced with an empty string. Then I can say maybe search for, so the word for will also replaced with empty string. So now we have just the key term left after replacing these two words. Now we need to just type this key term. So I'm going to just use pyautogui dot write, and the key term will be written. Then what we need to do after writing our key term, we need to just press enter. So I'm going to just take pyautogui dot press and enter. Okay, so this function will search something. If I say search for a term, it's gonna replace the words, extra words basically, and then the key term will be written and enter will be pressed. Okay, so again we need to create a function for automatic typing. By the way, I have a dedicated video on how to create a automatic typer, but in this case we just need a simple auto typer that is going to type a sentence or some terms that we are going to say. So it's gonna be a little bit easy. So I'm going to create a function called typer, and as a parameter I'm going to pass query and what we need to type. So the key term to type, this will be query dot replace unnecessary extra words. Maybe I can say type to initialize, then I can say the key terms. So I'm going to replace type, the word type, with empty string. Then I may say write. Okay, just replace it with empty string. Then simply I'm going to just write this term. Okay, so pyautogui dot write this key term. Okay, so this will work as a automatic typer for us if we need to type a specific thing. Now we need to create a function that will iterate through this dictionary and check for any matched keywords in our query that we are going to say and execute the related function. For that I am going to create a function called shortcut, and as a parameter I am going to pass command. And now we need to iterate through this dictionary. So for key and function in Chrome shortcuts dot items. So it's going to iterate through all the keys and functions in this dictionary. Now we need to check whether this command and the key command matches or not. Now if this key command and this past command is matched, then we are going to execute the related function. So I'm going to take a condition: if command is equal to the key, then we need to maybe execute the function. The function will be executed. Okay, now here is the interesting thing. We are gonna do all the steps, all the commanding then executing when our Chrome is active. because we are basically doing all this stuff for Chrome, right? So if our Chrome is not active, then we just wasting the program. So for that we need to check whether our Chrome is running or not. We can check it by simply using one module called psutil. So I'm going to create a function here. I'm going to name it is running, and it is going to check whether the Chrome is running or not. So the function is like something like this: for process in psutil dot process iteration, and this will be name. Okay, so it is going to iterate through all the running process, and now we need to check whether Chrome, our Chrome for Windows, it is the application is like chrome.exe. Okay, so now we need to check if we get a process. So if process dot info of name or chrome dot exe in process dot info name, then we might return true. Okay, else it's going to just return false. So by default this function will return false, but if Chrome is active, this is going to check whether Chrome is running or not. If Chrome is active, then we need to return true. Maybe we need to add and here, not or, and then let's just make it lowercase. Okay, now we have created all the necessary things. Now we can move to our main function. So I'm gonna create a main function. Main. So at first, what we need to do, we need to just check the Chrome status, whether the Chrome is running or not. So I'm going to create a variable called Chrome status, and this will be is running. So this Chrome status can be true when the Chrome is running or false when it is not. Now let's just initialize our program. I'm going to just print initialize, and then we need to take the command. For that I'm going to import my speech to text library. Okay, so by the way, if you don't know what this is, I have uploaded a short about this module. You can download this module for free. Now let's just take a variable called command, and this will be speech to text dot lower. We need to make it in lowercase in order to match with our key terms right over here. Okay, now we need to check whether the Chrome is running or not. At first we need to initialize Chrome. That means we need to open Chrome, and then the other program will be executed. Because we are doing it for Chrome. If Chrome is not open, then nothing will make sense here. I can name this initial command basically, and then if open Chrome in initial command. Okay, so if open Chrome in initial command, we need to check whether this Chrome is running or not. So if not Chrome status, if Chrome is not running, we need to open our Chrome. So I'm going to use appopener. So I'm going to just import appopener right over here, and then I'm going to take appopener dot open, or let's just do it something like this, that if open Chrome in initial command and the Chrome already opened, so we need to just close it at first. So I'm going to just close Chrome and then match closest true and throw error true. Okay, so if the Chrome is already opened, we will close it and then we will open the Chrome. So I'm going to type appopener.open and then this same command actually. So I'm going to just paste it. So let's understand what it is doing. Basically, at first initializing the program, so we need to say open Chrome to initialize Chrome, and after that we are going to do all the steps. So if Chrome is already running, already opened, then we need to close the application. Okay, we need to close the Chrome and then reopen the Chrome. Okay, that's why it will maintain the flow. Now after opening Chrome, we can execute the further program. So I'm going to take while true. So I'm going to just print listening. This is basically listening for our command, and now we can take command is equal to speech to text dot lower. Okay, now we have taken command. Now let's just print this command to see what we are commanding. Now here let's say we have opened Chrome by commanding right over here open Chrome and then accidentally close it manually. So let's say we open Chrome right over here and then manually close Chrome. So we need to add this condition here also, so that if accidentally we close Chrome, we can open Chrome again. So I'm going to paste this condition again. Okay, and now the initial command will be just command. So I'm adding this for in case we accidentally close Chrome. Now we need to have another chance to open Chrome by this command statement. Okay, now just let's add our primary conditions. So else if search in command, or maybe I can say go to in command. So it's going to just execute the search function, like so. As a parameter I'm going to just pass command. Okay, else if type in command, or maybe I can say write in command. So it is going to just execute the function typer. Else if any word in command forward in, maybe I can say exit or stop, and it is just going to break. Else if none of this matches, else we are going to just call this function which is shortcut. So I'm going to just press shortcut and command. Okay, maybe these are the primary functions. Let me just check once more. Okay, so we can add another command here in case of closing Chrome. So if close Chrome in command, we need to just close Chrome, which is basically this. Actually I'm going to copy this and paste it right over here. Okay, so I think this is all. This is going to automate our Chrome. Okay, so let's just run this. Open Chrome. New tab, previous tab, close tab, search Iron Man 2, delete, type Captain America, enter. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Until then, keep coding.